Can you see how this gel is slicking my hair? What? And there's shine? And wait.
Yeah, that my Mamacita. Yeah, my shorty señorita. Yeah, anything she wanna give her.
Guys, you're gonna be needing flaxseed to make this gel. Obviously, you're gonna need a pot. I'm just putting 2.5 cups of flaxseed and a full cup of water. I'll show you the cup that I use, and I'm just gonna let this boil for 10 minutes. So this is 10 minutes in, and this is what the consistency looks like, but obviously this is too light, so I'm gonna let it boil some more for another 10 minutes. And it's getting thicker, but it's still not how I want it to be. This is the consistency after 10 minutes. It can do better, so I let it boil some more. But yes, guys, you want this thing to be thick so you can lay your hair. And yes, this is the perfect consistency for me. Altogether, I boiled it for like 25 minutes, and this is what it looks like when it's cooled down. So I'm just pouring that into a wig cap as my sheath, which I'm going to use to extract the gel. You can use a silk cloth if you want, but I find this more convenient. So guys, I'm just going to squeeze out the gel. This is so messy. As you can see, I spilled some, so be careful of that. Just squeezing out the gel. You want to make sure you get your money's worth out of this process. Squeezing like so. And yeah, I feel like that's enough. This is the result of the gel. Guys, this is the gel. Like, I put it in this storage. It's just a clear plastic. Yeah, I'm gonna use it to do a slick bun because I'm not a fan of wash and goes. So yeah, let's see how this gel works. I'm just putting my hair into sections so that I work the gel into it. This is the consistency. It's very slimy and it's quite thick. I'm not really a fan of the smell. I don't know how to describe it. If you've worked with fenugreek seeds, it smells like that, okay? You might want to put some essential oils on it to diffuse the smell. I didn't add any oils or anything, just flaxseed. My hair is already moisturized. I didn't want to add any oils inside it. The definition is amazing. I'll show you a close-up view, but my curls are popping. I like it. What I'm scared about is the hold. Is this thing going to hold? I'm just working in the gel to define my curls. If I had the patience for a wash and go, this would be nice, but I just can't do a wash and go because the detangling, the detangling for doing wash and goes is not worth it, trust me. Guys, My curls are so defined. This is amazing. I'm shook at the definition I'm getting with this product. I'll do the rest off camera and I'll be back to do the front. Can you see how this gel is slicking my hair? What? And there's shine? Wait. Hey, I'm shook. Look. Okay. Okay. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. I'm gonna do this and I'll be back. Guys, look at how slick this flaxseed gel is slicking my edges. I have a detailed video on my channel on how I do my slick ponytail. So if you want a detailed video, please check it out. I'll leave it here. Look at the definition. I'll give the hold a 6/10, but like it's laying my hair. If you have a good brush and you have lots of it, look what's left, guys. This whole jar, this is what's left. I just made more than enough because my hair is full and I knew that I'll need a lot. So you can try my recipe or the quantity that I used in the measurements. Guys, this is the final result. I'm not mad at this. Look at my hair. It's holding. I'm gonna test it and see how many hours it takes for my hair to start coming out. Flaxseed gel is doing its thing. I'm going to scarf it and see how it dries out, and I'll give you guys my feedback on how long the hold was for. And this is so affordable. If you have flaxseed at home, I suggest you try it. My hair is type 4. If you're going to classify it, it's 4C, and it's slicking. Like, this is a slick bun and I'm impressed. Okay, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 8,000 subscribers. It will mean the world to me. Okay, make sure you turn on your notification because YouTube doesn't show me any love. So by turning on your notification, you know each time I drop a video. All right.